In a world where every minute counts, why settle for ordinary? AI gives accountants the edge to reclaim their time, boost precision, and deliver insights that wow clients. Accounting tasks like data entry, fraud detection, and financial reporting can be time-consuming and prone to human error. Many accounting professionals struggle to keep up with growing workloads while ensuring accuracy and compliance. AI-powered tools are transforming accounting by automating repetitive tasks like invoice processing, payroll, and cash flow forecasting. They don't just save time, they also provide real-time insights, enhance fraud detection, and streamline compliance audits. Imagine focusing more on strategic decision-making and less on manual tasks. With AI, accountants can automate receipt management and payroll with ease, generate accurate financial reports in seconds, gain predictive insights into cash flow and revenue trends. No matter the size of your practice, AI is your partner in precision, productivity, and growth. Unlock the future of accounting and leave inefficiencies behind. Learn more at My AI Fluency.